What's up guys, it's Greta and today I'm going to teach you how to do a lace braid. I recently just posted 2 weeks ago or something, actually it was on Christmas Day, the tutorial for the YELENA hairstyle that the character YELENA from like the Black Widow, the Marvel Universe, wore in the Hawkeye series on Disney+. And I had someone say that they had a hard time seeing what I was doing. Now, when I do a tutorial like that, I'm not breaking down every step of like the actual braiding because I'm assuming the people know how to do those braids. I know that's not the right assumption, but I do that so that not every video is so in-depth and long so that you can refer back to videos like this on how to do like the braid itself. So that's what today is, a tutorial on the lace braid that was used in that video. Also great if you're trying to do like a headband braid or something and you only want the hair coming back and not this hair coming forward. So let's just jump right into the style. So I'm going to start on this side of my head, and I'm probably only going to do that side just to show you guys what and how to do this style. We can do this whether it is a Dutch braid or a French braid, meaning you're either adding the hair in over or under. Some people also call them invisible or visible braids, and it works with both options or methods. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in a Dutch style where I'm adding the hair underneath because I typically like the look of a Dutch braid where the hair like the braid itself pops more. So we're gonna go ahead and just start with a section here like a normal braid, 3 sections like this. And I'm just going to take the middle strand and get it out of the way where the other one I'm pushing into the center from underneath. And then I'm grabbing the other side and bringing that to the underneath. And so that is like the first stitch. Now I'm going to do a second stitch under, new middle, under, new middle. Now I'm going to use that as my first section I'm going to add in hair too. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in. And we're going to go ahead and take a small section here, pinch that, and that is pinched with my center hair strand. And then we're going to go under and grab that, not adding in hair on that middle one, but now adding hair into the middle one that's always coming from my face side, like my hairline, and I'm not adding in hair from this side. So I'm going to take another, I'm going to kind of try and keep that top section of hair away and just grab underneath sections around the hairline, okay? Because if you end up grabbing too far, it'll look like you're grabbing from this top side as well. You could clip this all out of the way if you want, or you can just continue pushing it out of the way as you go. Again, taking a little section here, adding that in and smoothing it out, pulling it tight, bringing the next section into the center, not adding in hair on that side, grabbing that into the new center, adding in hair because this is the face side, like this. Not adding in hair, adding in hair. Remember not to go too high because you'll start grabbing the hair from the top and you don't want to do that. So I actually just did, so I'm going to pull some of that out. And I'm going to have to kind of pull that tight again, just like that. My mirror is on this side, so I apologize. I do look back and forth, but I'm trying to keep it over here so you guys can see. Okay, where am I at? This section is coming under, adding in some hair, flipping, not adding in hair, flipping, adding in hair, flipping, not adding in hair, flipping, adding in hair. So just a little bit here. You can decide like how much hair you're taking, so you can always like pull some out or whatever you want to do. So this is a cute style. We're going to pull this hair back down this way. Kind of adjust and see where we're at. So something like this, you can like stop here and then you can just pin this and then this hair stays down and this hair is also down. Like this is all loose and that's cute. You can do both sides and then like pin them together. So obviously lace braid, one side is unattached. So it can, let me see if I can show you. It can flip because this side isn't added in, okay? So you only added in hair here, and that's why it's called the lace braid. And you can wear it in a ton of different styles, but I just wanted to show you like a quick tutorial on how to do a lace braid. I'm going to braid this a little bit further. And then what I'm going to do is lift up some hair in the back, right around here. And then you can pin it, and you'll be pinning it underneath the hair. And the hair can just fall over it. Kind of like that. You can do the same thing or a similar thing with an elastic and then grabbing a new section of hair from like the other side to hide it or to like secure it to. But this was it with the bobby pins. So that's your lace braid. All right, guys, that is the conclusion of the lace braid tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I do post pretty regularly, like weekly. And I would love to see you back here. And that would help me out and my channel and its growth and for more people to see what I do. So I'd really appreciate that. I want to just say something that's fun with this style too is if you copy this on this side and then you took both braids, you can elastic them in the back and then all this hair here just sits underneath and the braids sit on top. It's very kind of like whimsical, girly princess hairstyle, which is fun. You add some curls in and it gets very formal, very pretty. So enjoy this style, and if you were here learning because you were trying to figure it out from the YELENA video, let me know down in the comments below because I just like to see where people are coming from and it's fun. So thanks guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!